Due to GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation in Europe, Facebook was forced to update the rules on the usage of Messenger API to keep in compliance with the European privacy law. And this is a very big deal for people who live in the EU or have subscribers in the European Union. I am recording this video on 13 December and the new rules will apply on 16 December. So keep in mind that these changes are very new and most probably to change over the next weeks. And when that happens, I will keep you updated. So who are affected by these rules? We have the European pages, pages with European admins, and chats with people in Europe. If your page is located in the European Economic Area, EEA, countries, including the 27 EU member states like Norway, Iceland, Liechtenstein and the UK, these changes apply to you. If you advertise to users located in those countries, these changes also apply to you. So if you have page admins in Europe, if one of your Facebook page admin is located inside the EU, then these changes will apply to you. I will give some examples to explain myself better. If your Facebook page is located in Singapore, 100% of the subscribers are located outside the EU, but one of your Facebook page admin is located in the EU, then you are affected. To overcome this issue, you can change the page role of this admin to another role. Then you shouldn't have any problem. If your page is located in the United States and 50% of your users are located in the US and the other 50% are located, for example, in Portugal, then you won't have any restrictions on the USA users. But you will have restrictions with the Portuguese users. With these new rules, many of the ManyChat features will stop working. Let's see what happens after 16 December. OTN, one-time notifications. One-time notifications, most known as OTN, will stop working 100% after 16 December. Another feature that is going away is the custom audience of subscribers in Facebook ads. And this is a real pain in the butt because from 16 December you will not be able to create remarketing audiences based on ManyChat subscribers, as I teach inside the full ManyChat course. You will stop to see some of the native Facebook info about the users, such as first and last name, profile picture, local, time zone, and gender. It's expected to still be able to use the first name and the last name in the dynamic fields inside flows. In alternative, you can start using custom fields to store user information. Users will stop seeing live agents' names and profile pictures. So growth tools is a big deal. The major part of growth tools like overlay, URL, messenger, checkbox will stop working. The only growth tool that will continue to work without limitations are Comments Growth 2.0. Customer chat and visual JSON will still work, but with some limitations. You will not be able to send or receive files like videos, sound clips, PDFs. Image will still work normally on all devices. Persistent menu, the hamburger menu, and dynamic menus will stop working after 16 December. Another feature that is going away is the typing indicator. From 16 December, your users won't be able to see the typing indicator on your flows. That is also applicable to live chat. Warning or block messages. This was actually a helpful thing. When ManyChat detected an error, it gives you a warning. But from now on, this will stop working. However, you'll still receive notifications at the Facebook page inbox level. Now let's talk about ManyChat features with some limitations. Message with images. You'll still be able to send and receive messages with image or text plus images without any limitations. Keep in mind that, as we spoke before, videos, PDFs or other files are now blocked. Messages with buttons. Another important thing to have in mind is the permanent buttons. After 16 December, they will only show on mobile devices, specifically in iOS and Android. This means that persistent buttons will only work on mobile devices. For that reason, you should build flows with this limitation on the horizon. You can start asking users what type of device they are and then create conditions to send users to proper flows. Another workaround is to use quick replies that work on desktop and mobile. But remember that after the click, the button will disappear. And so, the clickable option. Commons Growth Tool and JSON. Growth tools work as a starting point to drive traffic to your chatbots. And the new rules will be very painful at this level. As mentioned before, a major part of growth tools will stop working, leaving us two options: Commons Growth Tools and Visual JSON Ads, Chat Plugin or Customer Chat and Guest Mode. Customer Chat is a chat box you can install on your website. You can find it inside the menu Growth Tools. However, you can't add any buttons and your profile picture as live agent will not appear. After 16 December, if the user starts a conversation through Customer Chat as a guest, it won't be able to upgrade to Facebook profile. In the last 3 years, we saw a lot of changes in rules regarding Facebook Messenger, and we will see more in the future for sure. Although these changes are a big punch in the stomach, Messenger marketing is not going anywhere. Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram Direct are some of the most valuable assets of Facebook ecosystem, and marketing automation will be needed to help businesses respond to their audience communication demands. At the same time, they provide a personalized and engaging experience. I strongly believe that this channel will continue to grow and provide new business opportunities for marketeers and also for brands. That being said, it's time to share some tips to try to overcome in the best way possible this situation. Build your list. One of the most important assets for any company that depends on marketing to thrive is their list. As someone said, the secret is in the list. So you should prioritize contact data collection of your subscribers. Go omnichannel. ManyChat just improved their email marketing capabilities, and you can also leverage CMS communication. Another thing you can start to use is Facebook Boost Post. If you already use Facebook ads to generate traffic to your bots, you can still do it for sure. One of the options is to develop Commons Growth Tools and activate chatbots every time someone writes a specific keyword in your post comment section. Another way to run ads is through Visual JSON Ads linked to a keyword automation inside ManyChat. I'll make a video in the near future to show you step by step how to do it. Another tip is to work on your welcome message or conversation starters. Because welcome message and conversation starters will not suffer changes, you can leverage these two features in your bot strategy. For now, enjoy Christmas and relax. We will figure out ways to leverage Messenger marketing and keep up the good work and continue help our clients scaling their businesses and engage with their audience in a more personalized and automatic way. Have a great Christmas and I'll see you soon.